Hello, I'm Dr. Jody Reed. In this series, we explore the brain, behavior, and mental health. In this lecture, we'll focus on microglia, the immune cells of the central nervous system, and how their activation influences brain function, mood, and neurodegenerative disease. Microglia are the resident immune cells of the central nervous system. Unlike neurons, astrocytes, and oligodendrocytes, microglia originate from mesodermal lineage and function in a manner similar to macrophages. They are distributed throughout the brain and spinal cord and serve as the primary defense system of neural tissue. In their resting state, microglia have a ramified appearance, with long branching processes extending into the surrounding environment. These processes continuously monitor the local tissue, detecting injury, infection, or abnormal cellular activity. Under normal conditions, microglia help maintain stability by removing debris, regulating synapses, and supporting repair. In this state, they are protective. When the brain encounters stress, trauma, infection, or toxic exposure, microglia become activated. Activation is a normal and necessary response. Activated microglia migrate toward the site of injury, remove damaged cells, and release signaling molecules that coordinate repair. However, when activation persists, the response may become harmful. Chronic microglial activation leads to prolonged release of inflammatory mediators. This process is known as neuroinflammation. Neuroinflammation can disrupt neuronal signaling, alter synaptic function, and interfere with normal brain regulation. Persistent microglial activation can be triggered by many factors. These include psychological stress, chronic infection, environmental toxins, sleep deprivation, head injury, autoimmune disease, and metabolic disorders such as obesity or insulin resistance. Aging also changes microglial behavior. With increasing age, microglia often become more reactive and less efficient at returning to a resting state. When multiple stressors are present, microglia may remain in a prolonged defensive mode. Instead of protecting neurons, they may begin to damage surrounding tissue. Activated microglia release signaling molecules known as cytokines. These molecules influence how neurons communicate with one another. Excessive cytokine activity can alter neurotransmitter systems, disrupt sleep regulation, and affect emotional processing. This may produce symptoms such as anxiety, irritability, sleep disturbance, slowed thinking, reduced motivation, depressive symptoms. Chronic psychological stress is particularly important. It can maintain microglia in a persistently activated state, creating a cycle in which inflammation and anxiety reinforce each other. Long-lasting neuroinflammation can damage neurons and weaken synaptic connections. Over time, this may reduce brain plasticity and increase vulnerability to neurodegenerative disorders. Microglial activation has been linked to Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, frontotemporal dementia, multiple sclerosis. In these conditions, microglia may begin removing healthy synapses, releasing toxic substances, and contributing to abnormal protein accumulation. Activation that begins as a protective response may become part of the disease process. There is currently no single routine test that directly measures microglial activation. Evaluation often relies on a combination of imaging, laboratory markers, and clinical symptoms. Functional imaging techniques may show patterns consistent with inflammation. Blood tests may reveal elevated inflammatory markers. Symptoms such as persistent anxiety, cognitive slowing, fatigue, or sleep disturbance may suggest dysregulation of inflammatory processes. Diagnosis is based on patterns rather than a single test. Management of neuroinflammation focuses on restoring balance within the nervous system. This may include improving sleep, reducing stress, optimizing metabolic health, treating underlying illness, and in some cases using medications that influence immune activity. Research also suggests that environmental factors, exercise, and psychological state may influence microglial activity. The relationship between brain, immune system, and behavior is complex and still being studied. The central nervous system is not immunologically silent. Microglia play a critical role in maintaining the balance between protection and damage. When properly regulated, they support repair and stability. When chronically activated, They may contribute to anxiety, cognitive decline, and neurodegenerative disease. Understanding microglia expands our view of brain disorders beyond neurons alone. If you're finding these lectures helpful, please like and subscribe to Read Matrix and share your thoughts or questions in the comments section.